Alright, how to remove the wiper arms to your S10. We're going to start off by pulling off the wiper blade. Bam, bam, as so. We're going to get this right underneath here. You want to pry it up like that. Bam. And then from here you want to remove that. But ideally, the way you end up pulling these off, right? It's kind of tough because you're getting it from this angle on the bottom end. You're trying to peel this kind of back off. And release the tabs. Not easy to do, but doable. There we go. Bam. Just like that. And then from here. Next, we're going to use a 13 millimeter. We're going to go ahead, we're going to loosen this up. Bam, bam, bam. Put this to the side here. Pull this off. Just like that. We'll get the new one in position. Alright, now we'll go ahead, we'll get this one here. Don't want to tighten though. Alright. And the reason I'm doing these is because this wiper blade was actually floating up, not making contact with the glass. And from my understanding, from a little research I did, these S10s tend to lose tension in the spring and don't allow this to pull down that arm, making contact with this. So that's why I'm doing it. Go, snug it up, just like that. Before I fully commit, get the new one on there. Cool. Down. We'll adjust. Right there. Alright. Now we got that there. Exactly where I want it. Cool. Good. And let's give it a try. All right, let's see. Hopefully it works. Oh, what am I doing here? Oh. Better. Okay, why are you going off though? That was weird. It just kept going. Okay, anyways, they're making contact. They're making contact. That's all that matters.